There are different ways in Adlogix to visualize the inventory for a sales agent. First of all, he can use the inventory widget on the widget board. The inventory widget allows him to visualize the inventory used on a site, on a page, on a content category, or on a network. By choosing a site, for example, Adlogix will visualize the inventory usage for that specific site. In red you see the maximal capacity of this site over a given period, and in blue here the inventory used. This can be visualized on a general level or position per position or all positions at once. If a user would like to have more information as to what is this inventory representing, what is in offer, what is in option, and what is confirmed of this inventory, he can go in a more detailed level by zooming in for this specific site. Adlogix will show him then more details about how the inventory is used and give him advanced options as to how to filter this inventory. We could, for example, change the period from which we would like to see the inventory, or see only inventory with an order state option, or any other possible combination. Adlogix also allows you to visualize specific inventory from specific campaigns over the selected period. The second way for a sales agent to view the available inventory is to use the availability tab, which is available everywhere on the website of Adlogix. The availability view allows the user, for example in our example of BMW, where the media buyer inquired if there was possibility to do a run-off network campaign during the month December or January, the sales agent could have used the availability tab, selected the month of December and the month of January, for example, choose a content category run-off site, which was selected by the media buyer. Any position will do, and then just verify if on that period there is still inventory available. At a glance, the user sees in green all the inventory that is still available over the selected period, which gives him an immediate answer to the question, can BMW have a run-off network campaign on the specified period? The answer is obviously yes in this case. The third way a sales agent can verify the inventory is by creating the product as we did with the BMW campaign. To show you again where this happens, I will open up our BMW campaign that we have previously made, edit our campaign, to show you the page or the position on the site where we can see the availability for that specific campaign. We have created this BMW campaign with all the very specific criteria necessary to make this campaign, and so Adlogix can here have a very detailed representation of how the inventory is going to be used and if this campaign with these specifics will be able to be delivered. The answer here in our BMW campaign is obviously yes, since we see that there is a total impression capacity of 183 million impressions and that we need 1.3 million impressions for our campaign BMW. So these are basically the three ways that you can see and visualize availability in Adlogix.